Science behind the colors. Mandarinfish. Chapter 1. Flashy fish. What fish has flashy colors and patterns and is shorter than a library card? This colorful creature is a mandarinfish. It is tiny. Adults are about 3 inches, 7.6 centimeters long. They are bottom feeders. What does this mean? They stay near the bottom of the ocean. They look for food among the coral reefs where they live. Coral reefs are home to small ocean creatures the fish eat. These include tiny worms and crustaceans. Take a look. Where in the world do these fish live? Take a look. Mandarinfish have a unique way of swimming. They quickly pulse their pectoral fins. This allows them to hover. They can also use their pelvic fins to move along the ocean floor. Did you know? You can tell female and male mandarinfish apart. How? Look at their dorsal fins. A male has a long, pointed dorsal fin. Female dorsal fins are shorter and round. Females are also smaller than males. Chapter 2. Unique patterns. Mandarinfish have patterns of wavy lines. They can be orange, red, yellow, or brown. Underneath, their bodies are blue or green. Their bodies make special cells called cyanophores. These cells have blue pigment. They help make this fish bright. Bright colors help keep these fish alive. How? They warn predators to stay away. Mandarinfish do not have scales. Instead, a layer of mucus covers their skin. It tastes bad to predators that try to eat them. Did you know? Mandarinfish often live in pairs or small groups. Their patterns are unique. No two look exactly the same. Chapter 3. Impressing mates. Mandarinfish are normally shy, but they aren't shy when it comes time to mate. Males try to impress females. Female mandarinfish choose bigger, brighter males as mates. Why? Brighter colors show that a fish is healthy. This also means the fish is good at finding food. Once a female chooses a male, the pair swims higher in the ocean. They do a swim dance together and spawn. After the eggs hatch, the larvae are colorless. Very young mandarinfish are light brown. It does not take long for them to get their bold coloring. After just a few weeks, the patterns start to appear. Did you know? Larvae are on their own from the start. Their parents do not have any parenting duties. Mandarinfish can live 10 to 15 years in the wild. Mandarinfish are famous for their good looks, but their pretty patterns and crazy colors do more than dazzle. They warn predators and help attract mates. These fish are spectacular to see. Glossary. Cells, the smallest units of animals and plants. Coral reefs, long lines of coral that lie in warm, shallow waters. Crustaceans, sea creatures with outer skeletons. Cyanophores, special cells that have blue pigment and reflect light. Hover, to remain suspended in one place. Impress, to make someone or something feel admiration or respect. Larvae, the very early forms of an animal after hatching. Mate, to join together to produce babies. Mucus, a thick slimy liquid produced by mucous membranes that can protect an animal. Patterns, repeating arrangements of colors, shapes, or figures. Pigment, a substance that gives color to something. Predators, animals that hunt other animals for food. Pulse, to beat or throb. Scales, the thin, flat, overlapping pieces of hard skin that cover the bodies of reptiles and fish. Spawn, to produce a large number of eggs. Glossary. Cells,